Take a ride in the 2016 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find sync, satellite communications, cruise control, child safety locks, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.